Hey guys. Okay, this is Kevin and Matt, and they are going out on the boat using their trolling motor that they made from home out of a drill and a propeller that they bought. They spent all day working on it today, so we're going to test it out and see if it works. Say hi, guys.
Hi. What's a life jacket if we drown?
There's a float in there. We are out on Tipsico Lake. All right, let's see. Now it's kind of loud, but it works. So Matt put it in reverse and took them into the lily pads, so now they're just getting out of there before they get stuck with the trolling motor. Okay, take two. It works! Here they go. Now I just got to figure out the mechanics of it. Hey babe, turn the boat going this direction. Here they go. Matt and Kevin putting their genius to work, redneck style.